Something important to bear in mind with all of this, because of the way it works, you're always adding data to it. AI will perpetuate biases in the data. Okay, again, AI, ML, they are nothing more. I'm being very simplistic here, but think they really, what they do is they pick up the patterns and they reproduce them. Okay, they're very sophisticated in the way that they do it, but essentially that's what they do. So, for instance, mortgage approval algorithms, have been found by the markup to have a lot of racial biases. That again is just replicating biases that already exist in society. Now, it's super important, and it's gonna be even a more important topic as we go and legislation and governance, really get into it. That companies have been, trying to solve or not, depending on their approach, depending on their vision. And sometimes even trying, even the solutions don't really work that well. So one that was very bad, and there was this whole fiasco some weeks ago, was Google, right? They had Google Bard, and they renamed it to Gemini. And what was like the big thing that really went wrong is that for the image generation part, you could ask things like this, like, give me an image of a Viking. And then you have a lot of the images generated that are not historically accurate, like, at all. And people started like, okay, what the hell is going on? And this was an attempt that Google did to try to address those biases, but it completely backfired because it hurt their own product. So, there are attempts, but sometimes they don't work. So something to really, really keep in mind.